Let's add a custom block to Minecraft. Hello and welcome back. Today we will be adding a custom block to Minecraft. First, let's create a new package called the block package. In the block package, we will be creating a new class called the mod blocks. Here we will have a few methods. I will copy them over. Don't worry, my GitHub repository is in the description below if you need any of the resources. Now let's import all of these. There. These are the basic methods for creating a block. So in order to create a block, we do public static block tin block equals register block to register a block. There is also a register block without block item method. For example, crops and all other kinds of things that don't have the actual item for the block. Tin block. New block. Fabric block settings dot of. And in this material decides the map color among other things. So we just make this metal because tin is a metal. Then we can make it require a tool. And then here we have item group dot building blocks, for example. Now we need to copy the JSONs. Now next we are going to have to register the blocks. So in the tutorial mod class, we are going to call mod blocks dot register mod blocks. And then in models, we are going to create a folder called block. And in textures, we are going to create a folder called block. In this folder, we will copy the file. So that is the texture for our tin block. Next, we're going to add a translation. There we go. Now we are going to create a block model. So let me copy that over. Next, we need to copy over the block model file. There. Should be it. Except I made a mistake there. We need to change that to block. Then we need to copy over the block states file. And finally, we need to copy over the item file, the item model file. This item model file is a little different from the item one, as this is a block item, and a parent is the block model, not the item generated model. So let's run it and see if it works. So let's go into our creative inventory, building blocks. Let's scroll all the way down. There, we see a tin block, but can we build with it? Yes, we can, but it is this weird texture. Why? Let's find out. That was actually my fault in the block states. This should not be normal. This should just be empty quotation marks. So now, let's test it out. And we also need to put block / after tutorial mod. That was my mistake as well, since the model that we are referencing from the block states is in the block folder. So now the block isn't some purple and black squares. We have added a block to Minecraft.